Now we're going to try Chaturanga from Adho Mukha Svanasana. In other words, four-limb staff pose from downward facing dog pose. And we're going to do plank pose. Plank pose is really a straight arm version of Chaturanga Dandasana. And the alignment, the distance between the hands and the feet is really important in this. Feet are hips width apart, legs straight. Notice that the arms are on a little bit of an angle so that the shoulders are slightly in front of the wrist. Now, from here we're going to do downward facing dog. So if you remember leg lifts, when you press the toes up, here the toes, big and toe mounds press down so the hips lift. Plank pose. Now watch the feet and the heels. I press the feet, lift the heels and the hips, then press the thighs back. So calf muscles contract, quadriceps contract, arms straighten, spine extends. In here we're connecting the lower body, the legs, with the upper body, spine. Now, when you come into plank pose, the feet push, in this case, towards the wall, so you start to come forward. Do you see? To help that and get proper action in the shoulders, the hands resist back towards the feet to help the chest move forward and engage the arm and shoulder muscles properly. So feet push forward, hands pull back, chest extends. Lift the hips by pressing the toes, stretch the legs. Plank pose, inhale, exhale. See how the hips lift. Plank pose. Now the feet push forward as the hands pull back towards the feet. Extend forward. Now the hands push away from the front edge of the mat as the hips lift and the legs straighten. So when you come into Chaturanga Dandasana, the hands resist back. That engages the arm muscles correctly, and the chest goes forward. When you come back into downward facing dog, the hands push towards the front edge of the mat, and the hips lift. So you have control of the whole body. As far as the action in the shoulders, the arms have to turn, so the armpit is rolling from the inside out. Usually we say bicep side of the arm out, tricep side of the arm in. That's external rotation, and it's done with the shoulder rotators. The tricep, of course, has a lot of work to do, as well as the chest. Now, the arms can't go out. That's incorrect action. But I don't want you to jam the upper arms in next to the side ribs. That creates too much tension. Watch. Hands resist towards the feet push forward. Chaturanga Dandasana. So it seems like a push-up, but you'll probably notice it's forward and back. Then the result is that you're going up and down. So give that a try. In the next video, I'm going to show you some alternatives because your body may be ready for that, but you may also need some extra help. So we'll get into how to use some props to make the pose work for you.